Now, and then we need to know applied manufacturing overhead. Is that correct? Is that correct, Mr. Smith? Yep. Okay. Applied manufacturing overhead. Okay? Applied manufacturing overhead equals the predetermined overhead rate times actual activity. So those two formulas are going to be very, very important to us. Okay? Those two formulas are going to be very important to us. And they're going to be important to us right away because we do need to move along so we can get to because I need to finish with a little bit of time left over so I can let you look at your exams. Okay? So let's go to the Bayes Company, if you would, please. Let's go to the Bayes Company. I just drew a T account on the board. Mr. Musgrave, what T account do you think that is? Manufacturing overhead. Okay. For the first test, what did we put on the debit side of the manufacturing overhead T account? We put just all actual costs. Okay, that's going to remain the same. That's going to remain the same. What's going to be different is on the credit side, we are going to put applied manufacturing overhead now. In job order costing, we're going to put applied manufacturing overhead calculated using this formula. Okay, this formula right here is going to give us applied manufacturing overhead. Okay, so let us take this information that is given to us here and put it in the T account. Okay. The Bayes Company allocates manufacturing overhead to production based on direct labor hours. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a very important piece of information. What do they tell us? Ashton, what do they tell us? I'm just reading the first line. Okay. The Bayes Company allocates manufacturing overhead to production based on direct labor hours. What's that telling us? It's telling us the activity. Right there, okay? That is our activity, direct labor hours. So that's an important, that sentence is not a throwaway sentence. That's an important sentence that's telling us some information that we can use, okay? So now, the following information is available for the Bayes Company. So now we want to put this information, Anthony. Let's fill out let's complete this formula right here. Tell me a number. I'm sorry? And where's that go? $403,200. Awesome. How exciting. Aren't you getting excited? No? Armando. What goes underneath there? How much? And that is 21,000 what? Huh? It is not $21,000. Direct labor hours. Much better answer. Much better answer. That is 21,000 direct labor hours. I need help with the math. Who's got a calculator? 19.2. Megan, 19.2 what? I'm sorry? How did you know I was going to ask you that? Just knew. You've had too many bad experiences in Dr. Fessler's class. You don't like that question? I mean, it's really just it's just math, right? What's in the top? What's in the bottom? That's what it is. Dollars per direct labor hour. It's that easy. See how easy that is? Please don't. And especially don't make it too hard on a test. Okay? No need to make it any harder than it really is on a test. And so, that is our calculation of our predetermined overhead rate. Okay? So help me, if you would, then. Let's do this applied manufacturing overhead calculation. Ekta, can you help me with this formula, filling in this formula and doing this calculation? Please. Absolutely. Now that was almost too easy, wasn't it? She got away with it. I mean, that was so easy. Look at that. Megan wishes she had that easier question rather than the one that I asked her. Hold it. I need just one other piece of information in there. Now, why don't you write out the formula? E2. Why don't you write out the formula? Okay.
Actual manufacturing overhead?
Not actual manufacturing overhead, no.
Actual direct labor hours?
Because the activity needs to be the same. Okay, and how many what's our actual direct labor hours? 20,000. I need math. Math. Actual direct labor hours. How much? $384,000. Okay, just checking. We need to make sure we're clear on that. Okay?